Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lucifer here. This is the morning star. This is the Antichrist. I am the Antichrist. I am Lucifer. I am Shabanor, the apocalypse. I am the wanderer. I am war. I am the angel of death. I am the bringer of light. I am the first mutant. I am luck. I go by many names because I am a demon. I am a god. You see, some of you might not understand this process, but all gods go by many names. This is due to entitlement. What I mean by entitlement is you face certain situations in life, or you fight certain wars, whether spiritual, physical, or mental. You will grow into different, like a snake shedding its skin. You will grow into new versions of yourself. There is always room for change. And we as demons always promote the shedding of the old skin. Quite simply speaking, we are gathered here today to give respects to Jason Frank, the Green Ranger, who was sacrificed to put people to sleep, who was sacrificed in the name of a false god, who was sacrificed in the name of a false prophet. He was sacrificed in the name of a usurper. He was sacrificed in the name of a treacherous being. He was sacrificed in the name of a false idol. He was sacrificed in the name of a false image. This cannot stand. The elites are losing this battle, and they have resorted to petty and despicable tactics. So everybody's wondering, is he gonna do another tsunami? When is he gonna do another tsunami? He must be seeing what's going on. Yes, I am. I'm paying close attention to it. But this time, we're going to do something a little bit different. This time, we are calling forth the blizzard. This time, we are calling forth the tempest. This time, we are calling the most brutal forms of snowstorms, blizzards. So the blizzard is upon us. The blizzard is coming. Stay safe. Stay inside, kiddies. Because hail, ice, and wind will unite to wash away your fear. Have a good one.